Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the notification bell. Turmeric is one of the most studied and powerful herbs that can cure number of diseases. A glass of warm turmeric water daily will make a huge difference to your health. To make this recipe, fill the glass with warm water. Add half spoon of turmeric powder. Slowly stir in the warm water until thoroughly blended. Add lemon if desired to add flavor. This recipe of turmeric water is a great way to start your day off with healthy boost. It helps to lose weight. It helps boost your immune system. Curcumin present in the turmeric boosts the function of the liver. It regulates blood pressure and cholesterol. It fights acne and heals wounds. Curcumin helps to reduce gas and bloating and also helps in digestion. It provides you glowing skin and beautiful hair.